As we age, it's not just our bodies that change. Our brains change too. This is a natural part of life. You might notice these changes in small ways at first. It could be occasionally forgetting an appointment. Or maybe it takes a little longer to learn something new. These changes happen because of subtle shifts in the brain. Over time, the brain may shrink slightly, and communication between brain cells can become less efficient. This can affect our ability to form new memories or recall information quickly. But don't be alarmed. These are normal changes, and there are things we can do to keep our minds sharp. Just like we take care of our physical health, we need to prioritize our brain health as well. Remember, a little forgetfulness is a normal part of aging. It doesn't necessarily mean something is seriously wrong. However, if you're concerned about your memory or cognitive function, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. They can help determine if your symptoms are a normal part of aging or something more serious. Sometimes memory problems can be a sign of something more serious. Chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease and hypertension can affect blood flow to the brain. This can impair cognitive function and increase the risk of memory problems. In other cases, neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease can cause more severe memory loss and cognitive decline. Alzheimer's is a progressive disease that damages brain cells and disrupts communication within the brain. This leads to a gradual decline in memory, thinking skills, and the ability to carry out daily activities. It's important to remember that not everyone with chronic diseases or even Alzheimer's will experience severe memory loss. Early diagnosis and treatment of chronic conditions can help manage symptoms and protect brain health. If you or a loved one are experiencing significant memory problems, it's crucial to seek medical attention for proper diagnosis and care. Here's the good news. You have a lot of control over your brain health. The lifestyle choices we make every day can have a huge impact on our cognitive function as we age. What we eat, how much we exercise, how well we sleep, and how we manage stress all play a role in keeping our minds sharp. Think of your brain like a muscle. Just like our bodies need regular exercise and a healthy diet, our brains thrive on mental stimulation, good nutrition, and adequate rest. By making healthy choices, we can support brain health and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Remember, it's never too late to start making positive changes. Even small adjustments to your lifestyle can make a big difference in your brain health over time. So, start incorporating brain-boosting habits into your routine today and reap the benefits for years to come. You are what you eat, and that includes your brain. A balanced diet is essential for overall health, and it plays a crucial role in brain health as well. What we put into our bodies directly affects the structure and function of our brains. Focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential nutrients that support brain function and protect against cognitive decline. Antioxidants found in colorful fruits and vegetables help protect brain cells from damage. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive saturated and trans fats, as these can have detrimental effects on brain health. Remember, a healthy diet is a marathon, not a sprint. Start by making small, sustainable changes to your eating habits and gradually incorporate more brain-boosting foods into your diet. Exercise your body, sharpen your mind. Physical activity isn't just good for your body, it's a workout for your brain too. Regular exercise increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients that brain cells need to function optimally. Exercise also stimulates the growth of new brain cells and strengthens connections between existing ones. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could include brisk walking, swimming, cycling, dancing, or any activity that gets your heart rate up. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Exercise doesn't have to be strenuous to be beneficial. Even short bursts of activity throughout the day can make a difference. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Park farther away from your destination, or take a walk during your lunch break. Every little bit counts. Mental gymnastics. Keep your brain engaged. Just like our bodies need physical activity, our brains crave mental stimulation. Engaging in mentally challenging activities helps keep our minds sharp and agile. Think of it as a workout for your brain, strengthening cognitive function and enhancing memory. Challenge your brain regularly with activities like puzzles, crosswords, Sudoku, brain training apps, or learning a new language or musical instrument. The key is to step outside of your comfort zone and try new things that require active thinking and problem solving. Make learning a lifelong pursuit. The more you challenge your brain, the more adaptable and resilient it becomes. Embrace curiosity, explore new interests, and never stop learning. The importance of sleep: rest and recharge your brain. Sleep is essential for our physical and mental well-being, and it plays a vital role in memory consolidation. During sleep, our brains process and store information gathered throughout the day, transferring it from short-term to long-term memory. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and make sure your bedroom is conducive to sleep: dark, quiet, and cool. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed, as these can interfere with sleep patterns. If you have trouble sleeping, talk to your doctor. There are effective treatments for sleep disorders, and addressing any underlying sleep issues can significantly improve cognitive function and overall health. Stress less, remember more. Managing stress for cognitive health. Chronic stress can take a toll on our brain health. When we're stressed, our bodies release hormones that can damage brain cells and impair memory function. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for protecting our cognitive health. Engage in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. These activities can help calm the mind, lower stress hormone levels, and improve overall well-being. Make time for activities you enjoy and that help you unwind. Whether it's reading, listening to music, spending time with loved ones, or pursuing hobbies, make self-care a priority. Managing stress effectively is essential for maintaining a healthy mind and body. The power of connection, social engagement, and brain health. Humans are social creatures, and strong social connections are vital for our mental and emotional well-being. Social engagement provides mental stimulation, reduces stress, and promotes a sense of belonging, all of which contribute to better brain health. Make an effort to stay connected with friends and family, participate in social activities, and engage in meaningful conversations. Join a club, volunteer in your community, or simply make time for regular phone calls or video chats with loved ones. Loneliness and social isolation can have detrimental effects on brain health, so it's crucial to prioritize social connections as we age. Nurturing relationships and staying socially active can help keep our minds sharp and our spirits high. Early intervention and a hopeful future. The aging process is inevitable, but cognitive decline doesn't have to be our destiny. By understanding the factors that influence brain health and adopting a proactive approach to healthy aging, we can maintain cognitive function and enjoy a fulfilling life well into our golden years. Early intervention is key. If you notice any concerning changes in your memory or cognitive abilities, don't ignore them. Talk to your doctor, get a proper diagnosis, and explore available treatment options. Early detection and intervention can make a significant difference in managing symptoms and slowing disease progression. The choices we make today have a profound impact on our future health and well-being. By embracing healthy habits, staying mentally and socially engaged, and seeking timely medical care when needed, we can age gracefully, maintain our cognitive vitality, and live long, healthy, and fulfilling lives. Remember, it's never too late to start investing in your brain health.